Hi besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing 5 amazing resources. Yes, 5 secret websites where you can make money from the comfort of your home. Yes, so what can be better than that? Guys, I understand what it feels like to be broke. I've been broke before. I know people find it hard to believe that I've been broke. Yes, I have been broke before. I know exactly what it feels like, and I will do everything legal and everything within the confines of Christ, because I'm a Christian, to make sure I never go back to that place. I'm telling you. So if you're broke right now, I totally get it. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you follow me and check out every single video that I put out on this channel, because I'll be sharing with you ways to make money from the comfort of your home. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. So guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go.
Mariam A.
Besties, have you heard of drop servicing? Yes, so drop servicing is a type of online business model where a person sells services to clients without actually performing the services themselves. You're like outsource. Yes, so instead you outsource the work to a third-party provider who provides the service and delivers it to the client on behalf of the seller. This actually means that the seller acts as an intermediary between the client and the service provider, taking a commission for the service provided. That way you can cross your leg and they are working for you. I'm telling you. Now, the seller can focus on the marketing, sales, and of course customer service, while the service provider actually takes care of the real work. Drop servicing is becoming very popular due to its low startup costs. Yes, so low overhead and the potential for high profit. It can be a lucrative business model because the provider doesn't need to have expertise in the services that they offer. They simply need to be able to find high quality freelancers or agencies to perform the work. Additionally, they can scale their businesses quickly by outsourcing the work to multiple providers at once. However, it is important to note that drop servicing requires effective communication and project management skills to ensure that the work is completed on time and to the client's satisfaction. For you to succeed in this business, you need to create a professional drop servicing website centered on a specific niche. Yes, that is very essential. That is very essential. Another way to make money is to create an online course. Do you know that by 2026, it is expected that the worldwide e-learning industry will be worth close to $400 billion. It's actually the best time to start selling online courses if you're an expert in your field and you like compiling educational resources. There are so many various types of digital courses available, from downloadable PDFs to video lectures, computing, digital marketing, health, wellness, business, entrepreneurship, finance, investment, and self-improvement. They are all things that do well in online education. Another way to make money is by joining an e-learning platform or launching your own e-learning websites. Yes, these are the 2 most common ways to monetize online course creation and distribution. Yes, the very first one is less difficult to implement, while the last one I mentioned offers greater leeway for trying out new forms and revenue streams. Yes, just so you know, Skillshare is one of the best websites to earn money from monetizing online courses. Another way to make money is to build a membership website. Do you know that building a membership website is a great way to monetize your own website? Subscription to paid membership websites provide users access to limited release materials. Membership levels allows you to segment your audience and control who has access to what features and benefits. Now, since members need to renew their plans to keep their access, the subscription system generates a consistent flow of income. So if you're trying to grow your brand's clients base for future upsells, a membership website is a great place to start. So you can explore existing sites in related niches to get ideas for your own. Now, the next step is to begin building the membership sites when you have identified a suitable niche that you are interested in. Now, the next one on my list here is affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard me. Guys, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, and there are a number of affiliate programs beginners can join without owning a website. Guys, as an affiliate, you can actually make money by recommending other people's goods, yes, goods or services to your audience. Now, when a customer makes a purchase after clicking on one of your affiliate links, you will get a commission. Do you know that affiliate marketing is a great way for anybody to generate money, bringing in anything from a few hundreds to tens of thousands of dollars every single month. You should actually sign up for affiliate marketing programs that are appropriate for your specific market. Another way to make money that no one is talking about is for you to sell ad space. Guys, the sale of online advertising space is a widespread method of generating passive income from a website. Just so you know, the more people interact with your ads through clicks or page views, the more money you will make. So before you decide to purchase advertising space, companies need to think about the site's content kind, target audience, and how its visitors access the site on various devices. It is important to focus on producing high quality content and enhancing SEO practices. It's as simple as joining an ad network like Google Sense and adding their code to your website to begin selling advertising space. It is a good way to make money on a website without selling products. Guys, I have a bonus tip for you guys. Now, have you heard of the website called nextdoor.com? It's also an app. So you can go ahead and download Nextdoor app today. I'll keep preaching the gospel of Nextdoor until it reaches everybody, because there's a huge potential on that app. Now, because it's a Nextdoor app, the word next door, the guy next door, your neighbor, it's not neighbor, it's next door, because there's another app called Neighbor. Yes, just so you know. So guys, when you sign up on Nextdoor, please make sure that you sign up as a business. Do not sign up as an individual. The reason for this is because if you sign up as an individual on Nextdoor, you're not allowed to post too much. Yes, maybe once is okay, maybe once in a month, because when you post too much, when you post more than once, on Nextdoor, you might get a warning and you might be banned or even booted out. Yes, people, that's what happens on Next. I need to tell you. So this is what you should do. Sign up on Nextdoor as a business. If you have a business name, make sure that you sign up as a business owner. That way you can post so many times, multiple times. No one is going to blame you. No one is going to attack you. No one is going to ban you. In fact, you're going to be encouraged, yes, the more to post on Nextdoor as a business. Also note that you are not supposed to run ads on Nextdoor. I understand you feel like, oh, I want to run ads. You want to quickly utilize the full potentials of the websites, but please don't run ads. You're going to waste your money. Sorry, Nextdoor. It looks like I'm spoiling your markets, but I need to let my audience know the truth, man. Do not pay money to advertise on Nextdoor, because you won't make anything out of it. Because let me tell you the trick here. Because you have registered as a business on Nextdoor, you get all your analytics. Yes. Guess what? I'm getting as much as 5,000 views on my Nextdoor. Yes, on my analytics without paid ads. I'm telling you this because I ran an ad and it failed woefully. I'm not the only one. Someone else ran an ad on Nextdoor and it failed woefully, so do not even bother. Their ad doesn't even make any sense. No conversion, no request, nothing, no messaging, no DMs, nothing, so just go ahead and register on Nextdoor as a business, and that way you can post so many times. Now, let me give you the trick to posting on Nextdoor. Do not go there and sound salesy. That's what a lot of people do. You see that I'm giving you guys the tea on this channel. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and share this video with your village members, because on this channel we are winning big. We are making money this year. So guys, on Nextdoor, when you get on Nextdoor, make sure that you're signed on as a business. Now, when you want to post, don't sound salesy. At the point of posting, make sure you use 3 formats. First thing you need to do is to greet them. Hi, beautiful neighbors. Put an adjective, yes. Qualify them with something. Hi, gorgeous neighbors. I always start with that. Hi, beautiful neighbors. Then give a motivational quote. Use my strategy. If you have a better strategy, that's okay, but this has always worked for me. It makes people read till the end. Because if you put up something boring, some people don't know the secret or the trick to getting people to read your content. You have to be catchy. You have to, make sure that it's all about them. Now, hi neighbor is for them. You're greeting them. You're putting motivational quotes. You're making them feel good, right? You greet them, you put your motivational quotes, then you introduce yourself and sell. You're welcome. You'll be surprised that people in your neighborhood are looking for your services. You can make $1,000 from the comfort of your home every day. But you have to be consistent. Like I said, as a business owner, if you're registered as a business owner on Nextdoor, you can post so many times. But don't spam them every day. Multiple times a day. You can post every day. It's okay. You can post every day, so that you stay at the top of minds of people on that app. And I hope that with these 3 points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confused that you can make money from the comfort of your home. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. I'm rooting for you. This is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. I'm sorry. I think I forgot to introduce myself. If you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you guys and I love every single one of you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, my name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about how to win money, how to make money real big. This year, we're making money. We're only securing the bag. This year, G Mason. And that is guys for today. I don't want this video to be too long. Please make sure that you introduce yourselves, like this video, and do well to share with your friends and your village members. And of course, I will see you besties in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. See you in my next video. God bless you.